What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Nick. Who don't know me, I'm a forex trader trading break and retest strategy, guys. And I got an announcement for you guys. So stay tuned and we get straight to the point, guys. So in this video, I wanna make a big announcement that I'm gonna start doing my trading journey on my prop firm account. I do have another YouTube channel, but there I'm journaling all my trades on my broker account, which is IC Markets. You can check down below. You can go for the link, register if you're looking for a good broker. I use him personally, IC Market, on my real accounts. But on this video, I'm gonna tell you guys about my journey of FTMO, because to be honest, this is my first FTMO challenge, and I've been trying to pass it like since 2022. If you see here, September 2022. Yeah, the problem with that it was I couldn't make it happen, only because the 10%, guys, that's too big for me, and it's hard for me. It's hard to pass, like, to do 10% in 1 month. To be honest, it's gambling. I don't really like to risk like that with my prop firm account. I really try to grow slowly and nicely. Yeah, but unfortunately, everybody knows the prop firm, they do some crazy stuff, and I couldn't pass it. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know what's the problem, and I know what's the problem. The target is too high. So what actually happened? I was trying to pass it and I couldn't. Repeat it. All of them there. You see, guys, I got just all of them there are just repeatable. It's not like I was failing them. It was just repeatable. All of them. Look how many. Look how many of them. It's crazy. It's crazy. And I had the issue, yeah, because when they changed the policy, like they was trying to do kind of unlimited time, I was thinking that they're gonna change my one automatically, but they didn't. And I made a video before that because I was expecting they to change it to unlimited, but they was leave it like that. And I don't know, somehow, yeah, last time when I was checking, I saw here it says end unlimited. But just to make like a clarification, yeah, here I will start my FTMO account. I took a trade and I was just, keep it active. Yeah, I took a trade. Let me just make a quick report, yeah, on that. So what actually happened here? I took a trade and then I was keep, checking in like every single day. So I was thinking like it's 1 month also, but then I realized that it's gonna be unlimited. So when I realized it's gonna be unlimited, I start trading normally, the way how I like to trade. Low risk, very beautifully, no pressure, no nothing. So how you can see here, I was put it here, just opening a trade, and I was thinking like to get repeatable. And then when I saw is how is it called? Is unlimited, then I start trading like normally how I do, because I do have. So so far I'm up 1.63%. I still have to go like almost 8%, 8.37%. It's been pretty decent. Last week, that was in December also. See, December, and then some on January too. Yeah, it's very beautifully. Here I go, risk to reward ratio is 1463, which is funny because it's not like that. And the win rate is 44%. The reason why the average risk to reward ratio is so high, because I was taking like those small losses. And when I start trading normally, that's the reason, because from start here was like 150 RR, which is crazy. But so far we're doing pretty well. And the last one here for $4 profit, that was the one I opened basically a position on my real account and on the FTMO, but I didn't want to risk to trade this news like non-farm payroll, so I closed the position on small profit literally before starting the news. So it is what it is. It will be profitable because on my real account I gained 15 point something percent. You can check the video on my other YouTube channel, which is Get the Vibe. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna start posting here every single time when I'm gonna take the trade. I'm gonna show you guys like my progress, and I really hoping this time I might gonna make it work and I will pass it, because I'm counting myself as a profitable trader. But to be honest, for me it's hard. It was very big pressure to pass like this 10% in 1 month. I was thinking like, man, I have to get some trades, I have to do something and I have to risk more, because I don't really have time. We actually got like what, 20 days to trade, and in those 20 days to trade we need to be aware of the big news, we need to be aware of good trades, we need to be aware of risk and to be profitable, because everybody knows none of the strategies works 100%. So I don't really like this stuff. Like if you get to the point where close to the end date, yeah, and you are on drawdown, that's a big problem, because you can lose the account. I didn't want to lose the account, so I had this emotional pressure, to be honest, on myself, because I was thinking like, man, I don't want to lose it. So I was kind of like going into the drawdown from start, and then I was keep going up, and then I was seeing like it's close to the due date, and I was like, no man, I'm not gonna open any more trades, I'm just gonna leave it like that. So that was repeatable like months and months and years. But I took only one challenge. I didn't bought like thousands of them, I took just one. So yeah, guys, if you like to follow me like on my journey, feel free to subscribe, like, comment, and see you guys on my next video update. Peace and love, and see you later, guys.